Let's see the side-by-side circle view chart. So here is the side-by-side circle chart, and it needs one or more dimension and one or more measures. So let's select the 2 dimension. Let's select segment, and by pressing the control key, let's select another dimension, which is subcategory, and select the measure, which is sales. And let's create this side-by-side circles. Alright, here we have now the side-by-side circle having the 3 sections, side-by-side, which is consumer section, corporate section, and home office section. And within each section you have these product subcategories defined based on the sales that they are having. Right now they are having color to basically tell you that what kind of subcategory it is. And right now there is nothing is mentioned for their size or their labels. So what you can do is, first of all, if you want to change the shape from blank circle to a solid circle, you can do this by going to the shape card. And if you want to increase or decrease the size by some measure, you can put profit over size. And if it is not clearly visible to you, the impact of putting this measure on the size card, then you can increase the size little bit, which is relative to the measure, based on how these product categories, subcategories is mentioned for each of these segment. And then it will be displayed very clearly to you which segment is profitable and which segment is not profitable within that product category. So apart from this, you can put the labels. So for example, sales, if I put it on the label, you will get the sales mentioned over here. And if you want to switch this view, let's say for some look and feel, you can go over here and switch it so that you can see it in a much better way. I think now it's showing you. Let me hide this for a moment and hide this as well. And you are able to see each of the section in a much better way as compared to the vertical one which was coming earlier. So that's how you can see how easy it is to create circle by circle or side by side circle view chart and modify some of the property to make it more visually appealing for your end users. So that's pretty much all I wanted to discuss in this video, and I'll meet you in the new video with a new topic.